Hello everyone, today I am going to explain about file handling in Java. Let's have a look at the agenda. First, what is file handling in Java? Next, I will tell you what is stream, and also I will talk about what are the different streams available. After that, I will talk about Java methods that are necessary to perform various operations on files. After that, I will explain about creation of file, how to write content to a file, how to read, and many more. First, let us understand what is file. File means it is a collection of data or information, and file handling implies how to read from a file and how to write into a file in Java. To perform file writing and reading streams, Java provides the basic IO package. So first you will write import java.io.star, that is used to import file class. So in order to use a file class, you need to create an object of class and specify the file name. So Java uses concept of stream to make input and output operations on files. Now let us understand what is Java stream. So here stream means flow of data between Java program and file. It is two types, byte stream and character stream. So first I will explain about byte stream. It is a stream to read or write byte data. Here input and output process happens with bytes. So it is called as file handling process with byte stream. Byte stream uses file input stream class to read byte oriented data like image data or audio data and video data, etc. Byte stream uses file output stream to write byte data such as image data. Now talking about the character string, it is used to read or write character data. Here input and output process happens with a character, so it is called as a file handling process with character stream. Here character stream uses file writer class to write character oriented data to a file and file reader class used to read data from the file. It returns data in character format. Now I'll explain about some important methods in files. In that first one is exist method. So this exist method is used to test whether the file is exist or not. So it will return boolean type of value. If the file is exist, it will return true. Otherwise it will return false. And the next one is create new file. This method is used to create an empty file. And this write method and read method both are used to write and read the content, but here this read method is used to return a character in ASCII form. So if there is no character or if it is end of the file, then it will return -1. And the next one is length. This length method is used to return the size of the file in bytes. And getName method, this is used to return the name of the file. And the last method, that is delete method, this method is used to delete the file. File operations, that first one is create file. So once if you create a file, you have to write an information onto the file. After that you have to read the file content and then close the file. Now let's understand all these things with the help of an example. In this program, I have created a class called createFile. I need to import java.io.star files to perform all IO operations. In this example, we have two blocks, try block and catch block. Inside the try block, I will write code that has to execute. If there is any error that has going to occur in try block, that will be handled by catch block. The first line of the try block, I have written file object to create file in specified path. Here I am going to create a file in my desktop. So this create new file method is used to create an empty file in my desktop, and the file name is data.txt. And now in the next line, I have created an object to the file writer class. So this file writer class is used to write character type of data. So here I want to write character type of data into data.txt. For that I have used this write method from file writer class. So this write method is used to write content into the file. So the content is, this is an example. And then close the file. So close the file means this will close file writer class. Now how to read content from the text file. For that, first create an object to the file reader class. So file reader class is used to read character type of data. So here I want to read data from data.txt, which is located in desktop. So here I am using read method from file reader class to read the content from data.txt. This read method will return -1 if there is no character, or if it is end of the file, or if the file is empty. This while loop repeatedly executes these two statements until this condition satisfied. So if the read method returns -1, that means it is end of the file, or there is no more character to read. Then it exits from this while loop. And in this next statement is system.out.print char.ch. So here I am trying to convert this ch variable value into character, because read method will return the character in ASCII form. But here we are trying to write character type of data into data.txt. So we need to convert this ASCII form value into character. And in the next line again read method will read one more character, and then if the character value is not equal to -1, then it will repeat the same process. Now copy file. In this program I have created an object to the file input stream and file output stream. In previous example I have used file reader class and file writer class, but here I have used file input stream class and file output stream class, because I want to copy the image from image.docx to copy image.docx. So for that, first create an object to the file input stream class and file output stream class. And in the next line, read byte from image doc, and if that value is not equal to -1, then write that value into copy image docx. So this loop will continue until this condition is satisfied. Okay, this is about file handling in Java. If you have any queries, you can post your queries. Thank you.